One of the most common questions that we get is how much does new carpet cost? Which makes sense. The average homeowner only buys carpet 3 times in their entire life. So let me make this a little easier for you. I'm going to tell you what you can expect to pay turnkey for a 12 by 12 bedroom. When I say turnkey, I mean everything from moving furniture, tearing out the old stuff, putting in the new cushion, and installing that new carpet. So let's get into it. So on the low end, you got what we call our builder grade carpet. This is when you just need something fuzzy in there to comply with some government guidelines. You're going to be looking at $250 a room for this. The next level up is the same material, just more of it. You're going to be at $450 to $500 a room for something like this. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Carpet that you can lay on, be comfortable with, and know it's going to last you 5 to 10 years. And expect to pay $600 to $700 a room for this. Now we're getting into the stuff that's going to last you 10, 15, 20 years. They're nylon carpets, and you can expect to be about $800 to $1,000 a room on this. And now we're in the luxury category. This is Fabrica. It is the Rolls Royce of carpet, and you can be anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $3,000 for a room of this. Look at that. It's like silk.